How to use credit monitoring and repair tools properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Credit monitoring and repair tools promise better scores, but most beginners use them incorrectly and end up frustrated or worse, in debt. You won't believe how simple mistakes can stall credit improvement. The first mistake is not understanding the tool's purpose. Some tools track your credit, others help dispute errors, and a few offer personalized tips. Know what each service does to avoid wasted effort or missed opportunities. Another error is ignoring inaccurate credit data. Credit repair tools are only as good as the information they use. Check for errors, outdated accounts, or fraudulent activity and act quickly. Many users expect instant results. Repairing credit takes months, sometimes longer. Beginners often give up too soon, halting progress. Patience and consistency are key. Surprising mistake is not leveraging educational resources. Most tools provide guidance on debt management, budgeting, and responsible credit use. Ignoring these insights reduces long-term benefit. Finally, beginners often forget recurring payments. Many services require monthly fees, and lapses can pause monitoring or dispute services. Check subscriptions carefully to avoid interruptions. To properly use credit monitoring and repair tools, understand the service, verify your credit data, be patient, use educational resources, and maintain payments. Following these steps ensures your credit steadily improves while avoiding common pitfalls.